Have you ever wondered what causes a lightning bolt? Lightning is a giant spark of electricity in the atmosphere, created by charged particles in clouds. Thunderstorms happen when warm, moist air rises into cooler air, causing the particles in the cloud to collide. These collisions create a huge difference in electrical charge, eventually causing a lightning bolt to discharge. The bolt travels at speeds faster than the speed of light, reaching temperatures hotter than the sun. But don't worry, lightning strikes are actually pretty rare, and only about 1 in 3 people will experience one in their lifetime. So, the next time you see lightning, you'll know the science behind that spectacular flash.